Hello and welcome to our discussion of the Step 5 speaking exam. I'm going to give you some hints that will help you get the best score possible. Let's take a look. Compared to Step 4, your exam includes a new grammar construction that you hadn't used in lower levels. This is the present perfect. Even though at lower levels usage of this was optional, for you it is definitely required. So you have studied all the past tenses, present perfect, continuous, simple, and so on, and future tenses. So in essence, the only real difference between what's expected of you in comparison to Step 4 is the range of grammar. Okay? And this is true in complexity. So something with conditionals, complex linking words, dependent clauses. So it's pretty complicated. And if you don't use this knowledge, if you don't demonstrate this knowledge, then you just sat on the points. So let's see. In the beginning, I usually ask you some questions about introductions and things. Now, absolutely, your answers need to be several sentences long. 3-4 sentences should be around the average. Of course, things like when I ask you something about why, of course, get ready to demonstrate the knowledge. Something about past, because it's going to be great in the future. I have studied it before, something like this. It should be several sentences long with comparatives, superlatives, connecting words. A one sentence answer should get you a very low score. So please keep that in mind. And of course, this is continuing to the scene. What's important here is that you develop your answers. Okay, it should be about clothing, weather, what you think about it, prepositions, comparative. You should be able to speak about this picture for about 45 seconds, but you should be using a range of answers. So if you keep saying, oh, they're reading, she's reading, he's reading, just gets that's one answer in essence. That's only one. Your point will be quite low. Okay? The point is to demonstrate, to show your knowledge. Think of it like a performance. It's not how quickly you can finish it, it's how extensive and how great your answers are. And of course, this is true for the story as well. It's not just the actions that should be described, it's clothing, actions, feelings, cause and effect. You should be giving several sentences for each picture. Okay? Don't forget, I start the story, you continue it. Do not repeat my answers. Okay? It could be past continuous. For example, while she was crossing the bridge, it collapsed. Now they were feeling terrified because they couldn't continue their walk. So that's an acceptable answer. You have studied all the grammar to make that statement. And if we take a look at the last part, it's usually quite easy. But it can be quite stressful for a lot of us because we have to find the information very quickly. It's okay to ask for time, right? If you are just looking at the card and think, oh my God, ask for a repetition. Ask, okay, could you say again? Or I need more time to think. The important thing in this task is to stay focused and relaxed, not to hurry through it. My advice is when I give you the card, you should immediately start looking. And I'm gonna give you 5-6 seconds for the first question. Ask for more time, it's perfectly okay. Remember that the answer could be anywhere, so question 1 is not always at question 1, or at answer 1, it could be almost anywhere, okay? So keep that in mind and stay calm. But this will be quite easy for you. You see, this exam is not terribly difficult, but it's easy to fail because just the range of things that you have to demonstrate. You could actually do the whole exam, just use present simple, but you will get, I don't know, 25, 30 points maximum because this exam is about a demonstration of knowledge. Okay, you should be using past tenses, future tenses, conditionals, dependent clauses. It's your chance to shine and to show that you're ready for the next level.